Hello, my name is Adam. I'm joined by Mohammed, Caden, and Kevin, and we will be presenting our product event. Once someone gets older, the more time they will have on their hands, but that comes with less opportunities. With events created for an elderly audience, there is still time to make new connections and enjoy life to the fullest. You must know at least one elder that is looking for something to do with their time, and you can sign them up for an event on our app, iEvent, giving them something to look forward to in the near future. Our opportunity statement is creating fun, interactive, and inclusive events that are easily accessible for the elderly community by providing a user-friendly app catered towards elders' technological capabilities. As a group, we are parallel designing, and as individuals, we created wireframes of the main page, focusing on the design and appearance while making sure it is functional and easy to use. Since demo day, I've made the transition of making the wireframe into a functional app. User testing proved that the design was unanimously liked and that other users would use this product if it were available as an iOS or Android application. The design did not change because I thought there was no need to if it already satisfied previous users. So the conversion from wireframe to application is the only major change for my prototype. In the design phase of our product, I realized that there aren't any products like ours that are on the market that openly connect elderly people within their community based on my research. Facebook and other social media sites can still connect older people with one another, but our product differs since it focuses on joining elders together at certain events. With the app only being half the product, I've reached out to community members in the Denver metro area in order to find potential events. Potential events include volunteering at Village East Elementary, pickleball at Eisenhower Rec Center, and events hosted by my group and I, such as barbecue of some sorts. Overall, the progress over this semester has made our idea into a legit product.
The purpose of our project is to make an app where you can sign up to join other elderlies in the community events. When we designed our prototypes, we made sure to make it simple for the elderlies, and each one of us chose different colors to make it eye-friendly and made the experience easier specifically for the elderly. The way my prototype works is basically after the user signs up and creates their account, they will choose what event they want to attend. After that, they will add their basic information like name, age, etc. After that, they will be asked if they want to take a survey, which is one of the main features of our prototypes. The purpose of the survey is to get as much feedback from the attendants to make the events more personalized for the elderlies. Most of the changes I made to my prototype after my first one are all appealing stuff, like colors and the overall design, just to make it easy to use and eye-friendly. And I also added more buttons instead of typing some of the information.
From my demo day prototype to now, my prototype has improved a tremendous amount. I took the feedback that I received from my 3 tests and implemented them into my new and improved prototype. I decided to create a web frame of my app because I feel that it is easy to follow and understand. The main features that I changed were the colors, font, and new settings tab. I originally chose red as my background, but changed it to white and added more friendlier tones such as blue, red, green, and yellow because it's easy on the eyes and the user won't get lost. I feel that the user won't get lost with the new font that I chose. The straight lines within the font make it easier to read and follow. The new settings and search tab will allow the user to feel more comfortable with the appearance, safety of the app, and how to use the app properly. All the changes that I made were strictly for the user. I wanted to focus on meeting the user's needs rather than focusing on what is popular. Our idea is unlike any other product, which makes it so unique.
For my prototype, it was heavily focused on the prototype part of the design process. I decided to create a wireframe of the app. For the user testing, I did various tests on the functionality of the app as well as the design appearance. Initially using rough sketches to start the prototype, I transitioned to more fleshed out drawings and sketches. After changing the design based on users' input, they now agree with the overall white scheme with color-coded buttons to clearly identify what the user should press compared to previous prototypes' color palettes. After doing 3 user testings, all the users that were tested stated that the app showed no issues, performed well, and was very easy to follow. On the system usability scale, the prototype averaged 92.5 points. The impact that it will now have on users now will be greater compared to earlier prototypes as users have access to the whole app, including a full demonstration of registering for an event in the tutorial so users can understand what to do. Right now, we have combined all our wireframes into a final Envision app prototype, which was Adam's improved prototype. We hope that you realize people can still establish new friendships and endure new experiences at an older age. Thank you for your time.